Hello traders, welcome back! In today's session, I'll be starting with a balance of $870 and I'm going to show you step by step how to apply a compounding strategy to grow this account consistently. The goal here is not just about making one or two lucky trades, but about using discipline, money management, and technical confirmation so that every trade contributes to long-term growth. Throughout this video, I'll break down my entries, explain why I take each position, and show you how small, consistent profits can compound into something much bigger over time. So make sure to follow along carefully because this strategy can help you understand the true power of compounding in trading. Alright traders, before we start applying the strategy, let's make sure the chart is set up with the right indicators. 7-period moving average, green. This is your short-term trend line, guiding you to identify the immediate direction of the market. 20-period moving average, yellow. This helps you capture the medium-term flow, showing whether the market is building strength or losing momentum. 60-period moving average, red. This represents the long-term trend and very often acts as a moving support or resistance zone. MACD with default settings. This works as a momentum and trend confirmation tool, helping you validate whether the move is strong enough to enter a position. When you combine these four indicators, you create a clear market framework. Short-term guidance, medium-term context, long-term structure, and momentum confirmation. This alignment is what makes the strategy powerful and reliable. Key application of this strategy is very straightforward. We simply make use of moving average crossovers together with the MACD confirmation as the triggers for our entries. When the moving averages form a bullish crossover, it reflects buying pressure and upward momentum. That's our signal to take a buy. When they form a bearish crossover, it shows weakness and downward momentum. That's our signal to take a sell. In addition, keep your eye on the red moving average line because it works as a dynamic support and resistance zone. Very often, when price touches this level, it reacts with a bounce, providing an extra opportunity for precise entry. By combining crossover setups with these bounce reactions, the strategy gains more strength and consistency, allowing you to execute trades with greater accuracy and confidence. Okay, let's dive into live trading session. I'm entering a sell position here because there is a clear crossover between the moving averages and the MACD. This indicates strong bearish pressure, showing that the market has a high probability to continue downward. Also, the red moving average line, which acts as dynamic support, has already been broken by the candles, further confirming the continuation of the downtrend. Let's watch the movement. Yes, exactly. Okay, profit. Now we can open the market again to look for the next opportunity. I'm taking a sell because a crossover just occurred on the MACD indicator, where the signal line and the main line crossed downward. This shows that bearish momentum is building and the price has a stronger potential to move lower. With this signal, we have a clear confirmation to open a sell position. Let's see how it plays out. Yes, okay, profit. Now we can open the market again to look for the next setup. I'm entering a buy position because the price has just touched the red moving average line, which acts as dynamic support and then bounced upward. This bounce indicates that the support level is still holding strong and buyers are regaining control. That makes this a valid signal to take a buy with high probability of profit. Let's see how the price reacts. Okay, profit. Now it's time to open the market again and look for the next opportunity. I'm taking a buy position because a crossover just appeared on the MACD indicator, where the main line crosses above the signal line. This indicates that bullish momentum is forming, and the price has strong potential to continue rising. With this signal, we have a clear confirmation to enter a buy trade. Let's see how it plays out. Okay, profit again. Now we can open the market again to look for the next opportunity. I'm entering a sell position because a crossover has occurred on the moving averages, where the faster line cuts below the slower line. This crossover indicates a shift in trend towards bearish momentum, giving a higher probability that price will continue downward. In addition, the slope of the lines further confirms that selling pressure is building. Let's see how it plays out. Okay, profit. Now we can open the market again to look for the next opportunity. I'm taking a sell position because the price has just reached a strong resistance level. This is an area where price has previously failed to break through and instead bounced back downward. That tells us sellers are stepping in again, giving a strong probability that the price will move lower. Let's see how the market reacts. Okay, profit. Now we can open the market again to look for the next setup. I'm preparing to take a buy position because there are clear signs that a MACD crossover is about to happen, with the main line getting ready to cross above the signal line. This indicates the potential formation of bullish momentum. Once the crossover fully confirms, the probability for price to continue upward becomes much stronger. Let's watch it play out. Yes, profit again. That's it for today's trading session. My target has been reached, and I won't force any additional entries since the market is becoming less stable. Remember, discipline is the key to long-term success in trading. If you want to dive deeper into this strategy, learn exactly how I analyze the market, and practice directly together with me, make sure to join the VIP group. There, I'll guide you with more advanced lessons, detailed entry techniques, and structured risk management. See you in the next session, and always trade safe with consistent profits.